Conocemos África, conocemos Ghana, conocemos a sus gentes. Esperad a escuchar esta entrevista. And what is your position here?
He's a cocoa farmer.
He can introduce two of the products they grow here.
Okay.
The most important thing here is the cocoa.
Cocoa.
Yes. Then the second one is the cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
Cassava.
Then they grow cassavas too. They also grow plantains.
Can you please give us your name? Can you introduce two of the products you grow here?
That is a plantain and cassava. Now we need to
Okay. What he said is his main job, what is growing, the main thing is the cocoa. But these ones are additional crops that he grows.
Why you grow more than one product?
Okay, what he's saying is he grows the cocoa, then he grows the plantains and the cassava so that they would cover the cocoa underneath. Anna, you understand? Pacho? During the Harmattan, the dry season, it will not kill the crop underneath. My main crop that I grow is cocoa. Sometimes I grow maize, corn, and I also, what's the name? I also rear chickens too.
Can you please give us your name?
I'm meeting the Charles Boabin.
My name is Charles Boabin.
Yeah, account practitioner.
I'm an account practitioner.
Actually, I don't render my service to the farmers here, but I have passion for farming.
Very good.
And this has, rendered me to become a farmer. And these are some of the crops that I grow. Yeah, I grow yam. I grow these two palm nuts. And also, the main crop I deal in is the cocoa plantation.
Even though you have the main source, you have the resources, in the West, we do the final product, which is chocolate, okay, and everything related to that. So you wouldn't like to know how much is a small piece of chocolate in the West?
We would like to. I have these questions to ask you, but I'm waiting on you to finish your everything.
It's expensive.
It's very expensive.
It's very expensive. But if you compare this with the salary of one of your workers, it's a pity.
Yeah. It's very true.
Yes, it's very true. So I'm the first one complaining about that situation. Why, if you have the main source, you are not benefiting from it? Why? It's the system. If I try with my people, reading my writings and listening what I'm recording, to better understand reality here, I'll be more than satisfied. You know? Because the best picture for them is to come here to meet you equally, with honesty, with no hypocrisy, face to face, with them hand in our hand.
I don't know the God you serve, but I thank God for giving you such wisdom to come over all the way from Spain to Africa to listen to some of us who live in deprived areas like this, to sell us to the rest of the world to know our value and then our needs. Our main problem here is that we grow the products and then we sell it to the big men. And the big men too will do what? Will convey it to what's the name? To the shops. And if you have noticed this, all our railways, they end at the shops.
It's like a chain.
Yeah, it's a chain. We don't have the availability of the machines.
Yeah, you have the factories.
The factories,
yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We don't have the factories to produce the end product, to chocolate, to cassava paste, and those things. Okay, so if our introduction to you can be known to your world, to come and then assist us with such machineries, we will be very grateful, because that will assist us a lot. It's not that we cannot manufacture the machine, we can.
I know you
but
can. You can.
but we lack some small technical knowledge, our technical know-how to do those things. We have the resources, but you have the factory.
Yes.
So,
because if you end up having the
factories, they will not benefit.
Yes, we are finished. You know, the rich people are finished.
yeah.